Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 3:30 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Milledgeville, or 10 miles north of Sterling, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Morris, Polo, and Forreston. This includes Castle Rock State Park and White Pine State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north-central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah, because if you don't know, we're actually under a tornado watch, because here, let me zoom in. Here's where, so, again, let me zoom out. So yeah, we're getting some bad storms. Right here's where I live. Right here. And apparently you see all that stuff coming, it's coming over here. And, yeah, it looks pretty sunny outside, but, yeah, we're currently under tornado watch. And, yeah, so there's a chance of a tornado.